Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your transfer PIN from Laika Mobile. The easiest way is to call Laika Mobile Customer Service. Dial 611 from your Laika mobile phone and let the agent know you need your transfer PIN to move your number to another carrier. They'll ask you to verify your identity. So have your personal details ready. And then they'll provide the PIN. If you prefer, you can also get your transfer PIN online. Simply log in to your Laika mobile account on their website. Go to Account Settings and you'll see the option to view your transfer PIN. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first. Make sure to keep your transfer PIN safe, as you'll need it to complete the porting process with your new carrier. And that's it. That's how to get your transfer PIN from Laika Mobile. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.